For what though? Okay, no, take.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay,
Now.
What I do, man?
Get on the ground.
On April 12, 2025, deputies with the Lake County Sheriff's Office located a 42-year-old suspect wanted on an active warrant for resisting arrest. The following footage captures the foot pursuit and the moments leading up to the suspect's arrest.
I'm gonna run. Put your hands behind your back. You got a warrant.
For what though? Okay, no, take.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay,
now.
What I do, man?
Get on the ground.
What I do, here. What are you guys here for?
Get on the ground.
Okay, I'm gonna go, bro. I'm gonna go, bro.
54-19
What are you guys here for? What did I do?
You have a warrant.
Okay. For what? What do I have
Give
a
me
warrant
your
for?
other hand.
18715.
What do I have a warrant for?
And a second floor. Looks like they just canceled.
Get up.
Okay. Stop. Okay, I won't do this anymore, okay? I promise, okay? I give you my word, right?
Where's Kristen?
Sorry,
I caught him.
He's
He's in custody.
What was your location, Green Bay?
Darrow Lane. Stop walking.
Sorry.
Where's your cousin staying at?
I don't know. I haven't talked to him once. He said, I think Chicago. What happened, Marty? We're going to work with this time.
Dude, I'm gonna tell you. Let's get back to the car.
5330, I'm on OP service.
I think it's identity theft or something.
Identity theft?
Yeah.
I haven't done anything,
Dude, I'm not here to discuss what you did or didn't do. You got a warrant and that's it.
No, yeah,
Here,
I get it.
just stand right there.
I get it. I understand.
You don't remember me, do you? No, you don't. Yeah.
Where from?
You used to be out in Spring Grove all the
Yeah,
time.
Box Lake area.
Yeah.
I have a knife on my neck.
I know you, dude. You know
I have
what
a
I
knife
mean?
on my neck. Here. I'm not trying to give you false information.
I know. You didn't, right?
No.
Yeah. I told you you were under arrest. I'm leaving this here. You're not going to be able to take that in there.
That's fine. And I ran from you because you guys made me so nervous. I thought somebody had told me I had a warrant for me the other day, so. It's fake. It's crop money.
Huh?
Crop money.
Is this fake?
Yeah, crop money. It says right on there. Crop money.
Where does it say that?
Right there in front. Crop.
Oh.
Motion pictures of the crop. I found it yesterday.
Okay. Well.
I don't have nothing on me, but I don't have anything.
How's this?
I told you I got a knife around my neck. It's underneath this one.
What is this?
And it's a fire starter, like a flint, and a knife right there.
Okay. Yeah, we can't have that.
I know. Take the other one out too if you want.
Huh?
Take the other one out too if you want.
Coming back here?
Me?
Yeah.
Probably. You
Garage
probably coming
overhead
home.
door.
Okay.
What's going on?
I'm gonna throw this in there.
You can just give it my property so I can take it back. When I go back. I don't want to be far from it. My friend gave it to me, he died.
This knife?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think we can bring it into jail.
Just go on the porch, whatever.
Yeah.
It's fine. I'm sorry I resisted, man. I didn't mean it like that, okay? I really didn't. It's just, you know how I am, bro. You know? I'm just flighty like that, bro. So I just got a misdemeanor. It's a misdemeanor, right?
I think it's a felony warrant.
Is it? So I have to stay in jail overnight?
You have to see the judge in the morning.
So I do stay tonight, right? When was my court date, do you know?
What's that?
You know when the court date was?
I have no idea, man.
I didn't even realize I had it. Somebody just told me the other day. That's why I was like, oh no, I didn't know it was for you. So that's the only warrant I have is the misdemeanor, I mean the identity theft, right? Because that's the only thing I have. No, I really don't.
Yeah, why? Did you do something else?
No, it's the only thing I could think of that had going because I know, I thought, see, the identity theft is weird because somebody used my name and did that. You know what I mean? It wasn't me. And I told them that, and I thought, for some reason, I thought that they had dropped it because they figured out it wasn't me that did it. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know, and I knew I had a court date coming up that I missed, but I thought it was okay because I thought I dropped it. And just the other day, my girlfriend's friend came and told me, hey, I think you got a warrant for you because they were looking stuff up. And I said, man, I can't have a warrant because I didn't do it. You know what I mean? And they said, I don't know, you need to check on it. And I didn't. And then, you know, I've been going to the police sheriff department. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, please, man, they don't blame me to have a warrant for this and you arrest me right now. You know what I mean? Well, I'm the one who told you I was there because I've been trying not to talk to anybody. You know what I mean? Been avoiding everybody. I'm trying to do.
I don't know what you're saying.
Well, in other words,
every time I see you, look worse and worse every time I see you.
I'm getting older and older too. You know, I'm getting older and older too.
Yeah, but come on, dude. From like last time I saw you was like towards the end of last summer, or maybe like last summer at some point. You look way worse.
I look way worse.
Yeah. You had more meat on your bones.
Yeah, I did have a lot more weight on my bones. Yeah, you're right on that. I lost a lot of weight. Yeah.
You lost weight. You look like.
Yeah, well, I was rough. I was living rough.
What you're doing is breathing.
I was living rough this winter, bro. You know, it was cold and I had no clothes. Yeah, I lost a lot of weight. I do know that. You're right.
If you want to get help, you should try to make. You should try to make it work with. Is it your mom or is it your grandma that lives in Ingleside?
My grandmother, and she loves me to death, and it's my favorite person in the world. And I'm trying to make it work with her, but
I'm sure if you're ready to change, she would take you in to help you.
no, it's too. She got all my cousin's grandbabies. It's too much, you know.